We have a 2014 Honda Odyssey. We're gonna replace the battery. To replace the battery, we gotta move this little air duct pipe here. We're gonna let the car run and the battery's down here. I'm gonna remove this clip here. Put in the bottom, put in the bottom. And then there's a clip on the opposite side. Alright, so now you can lift this up. And there we have the battery. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let the car run. The reason is because we don't want to lock up the radio or mess up the memory. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the bracket first. Just like a little hooks in the bottom, both sides, and you just lift up this bracket. Next, we remove the ground cable, loosen up both. Alright, so one of us will hold the positive while the other person quickly changes the battery before the car shuts off. And then you can take the new battery, put the new battery in, and make sure you always put the leather cover on. I call it a jacket. Take off that sticker, and then you can put the positive, negative back together. Put that one into the push or something. And then we could put the cover, the bracket, the holder, the other way. This was on the side. And you tighten that up, that's gonna hold the battery down. And the last thing you do is you put the cover back on for the air duct that goes here with the two clamps. Good, it's going. Hold your socket. That's it. This is the bracket that holds it down. Now we're gonna put the cover on. And then you're gonna put the 2 clips in. One here, one on the opposite side, and that's it. That's how you change the battery on a Odyssey.